Hey there. Welcome to another instructional video from Craig. This one's for World Geography class. You have a project in it called the World Tour Project. Take a look at this page right here. I'm going to run through this real quick with you. After the video on the page that this is on, the video assignment, you're going to have a couple of questions to answer. You need to submit those and get a quick and easy 100 points. But you're going to pretend like you are a rock star, and you don't have to be a rock star. You could be a country star, or you could be some kind of musician on tour. um, you could even be, I don't know, a comedian on tour. But basically you're going on world tour, huh? Geography, world, all that good stuff. So you're gonna create a commemorative worldwide tour magazine. And I put magazine in quotes because you can actually do it as a slideshow, or you can write it out as a Word doc or whatever it is. But your job is going to be to put together pictures, maps, and diagrams of this tour and anything your fans might find interesting. You can create ticket stubs, you can show, I don't know. They used to do this thing called liner notes in albums, or like tour albums too, where they talk about, oh, thanks to this person or these people or all that. So you can get creative with it as well. So you're going to include information about 6 concert dates, one city for every continent. We're going to skip Antarctica because it's cold there. So one in Europe, one in Asia, one in South America, one in North America, uh, and then where are the other continents? Did I say Europe and Africa, Australia? So that's another one there. So that's more than 6, isn't it? Well, 6 concert dates, and just have one city in. So you don't want 6 dates in the United States. Let's just say that. So let's spread it out around the world. So, about your commemorative magazine, your magazine must be exciting to sell. So, you got to make this thing, got to give pictures, give it some life. Uh, Come up with a good band name and tour name, like Craig and the Crazies on their, Blitzkrieg tour or whatever, something like that. Choose a record label. It can be a real one. You can make it up. You can have sponsor. Maybe your sponsor is Aha sparkling water or something. Anything like that. You can be as creative as you want to. You can create T-shirts. You can create postcards, emails, anything on there. Just have some fun, get creative. This is your only project for the class besides your reflective essay, so go ahead and get after it a little bit. Spend some time on it. Each city you have to touch on these 5 themes. The 5 themes are movement, explain why people move to. So, for example, this is going to use LA, so now you can't use LA as a city, but Hollywood is the movie capital of the world, drawing thousands of people due to the temperate weathers. Others not in the movie biz come to live in the LA area. So this is why we chose LA as one of our target city, one of our tour cities. Let's region. For example, our next stop, Anaheim, is considered a suburb of Los Angeles and part of the mental map of the LA area. So Anaheim here is the city that they're touring in. Human environment and action, and this kind of runs through all the different things that go on. Location talks about the Hollywood Bowl. Um, and then place, the Hollywood Bowl is an outdoor venue. So this is what they've chosen for their venue. And then blah blah blah. In this project, you're going to create your own magazine. It should be in quotes, but some presentation of your tour, exploring the idea of the 5 themes of geography. You're going to navigate the human and physical characteristics of cities around the world. And these are what we talked about here, the human and physical characteristics. The 5 themes of geography. You're going to generate original responses that will help guide you through the remainder of the project. Um, and here's the way you're graded. So there's 5 parts to this project. The intro. The part 1 is your first 2 stops. Part 2 is stops 3 and 4. Part 3 are stops 5 and 6, and these are with 25 points. You can lose points here if you don't follow directions, if you don't use complete sentences, if you don't have pictures, all the things. And then your conclusion is reflection on the tour. Tell us how you thought it went and what you thought about the tour. So this would be creative and all that kind of stuff. Not just the project, but um, just have some fun with this. Again, I keep saying that word, have some fun. That's key, that's critical. You're going to research some world locations, and primary sources, of course, are first person documents. Just go get online, go check it out, go see what their places are like. Don't limit yourself. Um, and let's see, what did I say is the most important thing on this one? Have fun with this project. All right, talk to you soon.